Howdy, I'm having trouble starting a 2014 TDI sportwagen manual. Got 115,000. It was doing this before, and the battery was pretty old, so I swapped the battery, but it didn't fix the problem. It's doing the exact same thing, so here we go. That's just the video. Those aren't actually flashing lights like that. I immediately get stabilization control error. Of course, I need to change the oil, but I don't think that's related. It tries to crank like that, and then it stops cranking. But I know that the battery is fresh. Not sure what to do.